marks the start of our first participation in the fun run. If you're curious about the location of this fun run, it takes place at San Paloc Lake, San Pablo City, Laguna. Allow me to show you. In this part, we are only walking because of exhaustion, and this part of the video marks as 30% of our journey in Fun Run. Here, we slow down a bit as my friends are taking pictures and videos for their Activity 5 in purposive communication. I believe this marks as 70% or 80% of our journey in the Fun Run. Here is the final segment of our moment in the fun run. We are truly exhausted at this point, which is why we choose to walk towards the finish line of the fun run. This was a truly enjoyable experience and a fun activity.